Hi, friends. My name's Joanne, and this is my channel to Crochet Curious. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for visiting with me today. We are going to do an update on my super secret project that I'm trying not to reveal to a certain somebody who lives in my house. But she doesn't watch my videos, I don't think, so I think I'm safe. So, um, I announced this some time ago, and I've been working off and on it, and hope to have it done by Christmas. But I'm pretty sure I can because when I actually sit down and do it, it goes pretty fast. So this is a bedspread I am making for you know who the you know the one who wants all my stuff. That one. That's the person. And so I've been making squares, and I got a little off track. Picked up the wrong size hook and made a wrong size square, but mostly I have all the right squares. And I've made quite a few, so I'll just show you my little stack here. I've got quite a stack going. Now, in order to finish with the yarn that I've purchased so far, I have this one and three more to make out of this one. This is, I think it's mostly Big Twist, and then I have one Mary Maxim skein in here, maximum value yarn. And then I need to make one more of these because I noticed I only made three. So I got to get that one going. So what's that? Four. So five squares, and then when that's done, I will have 24 squares. Now, I could go buy more Big Twist in all these same colors, but I decided I have some sparkle yarn and a couple other stripy yarns and stuff. So I think I'm going to just make a bunch of squares out of them and then see how that goes together. And if it doesn't look good, then I can always go buy some more Big Twist. But, I'd like to see if I can. I think I'm going to need 80 squares, so that's 24. So yeah, I need quite a bit more. So I am going to keep working on this, and if I sit down, I can actually get 2, 3, 4 squares done in a day if I try. So I am just going to keep pushing ahead on that, and hopefully, very soon, I will have squares to sew together. So, give you a little update on the Big Twist. It's the value yarn, 380 yards, 6 ounces, and it's a 4 medium. And basically, I got every color of pink I could at the time that I was there. And well, actually, I didn't get every color. I got 5 colors, and then I'm using that one of the this one is the medium rose from Mary Maxim value yarn. And okay, I'll show you real quick the other yarns that I selected to take a look at. I was going to try these in squares and see how they look. I got this. So there's a heavy pink element here. These came from, these are mainstays. I don't know how many squares I can get out of them, but I will try. That one, sparkle yarn, and then one more sparkle. This is a duplicate of that one. So I think that's going to make, I don't know. These are, these are 3 weight. But they're not that different in size. I think I might be okay. Okay, the other option was to make strips to go around the squares out of these things. I might do that. Okay, it's still a work in progress. I'm still designing it. I also have this Mary Maxim. This will match several of the squares as well. So I might make some edging out of this, or yeah, there's a lot of things I could do. So I'm going to just keep working at it and see what I think. I'll start laying out some patterns and think about, how I want to finish it or how I want it to look when I put it together. Blah, blah, blah. All right. I appreciate you. Hey, thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, whatever. And we'll talk again soon. And you're going to see me. I'm doing a bunch of videos at once. So you're going to see this same smiling face over and over again for the next week or so. Have a good one. Bye now.